Hello, everyone, I'm Yicheng Zhaozu. This truck-mounted drilling rig introduced to you today. Practical performance is directly full. The whole machine is equipped with a 55千瓦 diesel engine, full of motivation and strength. The drilling depth can reach 180 meters, capable of easy construction for both deep and shallow water wells. Equipped with steel wire rope hoisting system, labor-saving and convenient for loading and unloading drill rods. Easy for single-person operation. Ideal choice for water well drilling construction.